Launched in 2001, we started as a small 2-hour meeting inside our department. Little by little and year by year, we expanded to become what is well known now as UroAlex, a 3-day meeting in one of the most attractive places in Egypt, preceded by 2 days of pre-congress workshops.
On behalf of the UroAlex board, the Alexandria Urology Department Scientific Annual Meeting, I am honored and delighted to invite you all to share with us the upcoming UroAlex 21, which will take place between the 5th and the 7th of October this year in Radisson Blue Hotel in the North Coast.
Not only that, UroAlex 2022 will witness a big collaboration with the famous international urologic societies all over the world: the European Society of Onco-Urology, the International Continence Society, the European Society of Female and Functional Urology, the Society of Genitourinary Reconstructive Surgeons, the Society of Pediatric Urologists, and finally, the Algerian Community of Endourology and Laparoscopic Surgery.
In the luxurious North Coast Radisson Blue Hotel, UroAlex 21 will bring together experts from all over Egypt, as well as different European and international countries as United States of America and Russia. Over full 3 days, a highly scientific and specialized sessions will cover all fields of urology.
UroAlex 2022 is a unique opportunity you don't want to miss. It will allow you to get the advanced training, update your knowledge, meet the experts, see the collaboration, and finally enjoy and relax. Wish to see you all at UroAlex 2022.